guys, I am Karen Hapuch and welcome to my vlog, A Week in My Life as an MSU 1 student. Let's go! I started my week walking early to Sister for Bed 103 and played ping pong. Then I headed to Jack 102, changed clothes, and did my makeup. I gave my speech, finally done. Lunch with Zahara and Rose, then at GM 104 film showing. Mom Pleasant surprised us with pizza. Thank you, Mom. I went home, made my PowerPoint, and had noodles for dinner. It is Tuesday. I went to the new building for FPE 01. While waiting, I did my makeup with Chinelo. Lunch with friends. Then at GM 103 debate. Mom Pleasant was proud of us. After that, I went home and rested. Good morning, it is Wednesday. No face-to-face classes today, just online. I reported in GM 104 in Google Meet. After that, I got ready and went to ICC to support our college in Balagtasan. Our team did so well and other colleges were amazing too. I had fun with Zahara, then went home to rest. Today, it's Thursday. I went to the Maporo Gym for the musical extravaganza. It was exciting to share for our college. After watching, we had lunch with Zahara, Irene, Juan, and Makai. Then we went back inside and continued supporting our performers. Go CHGM! Today, it's Friday. No classes today, so I watched some anime. But it was boring, so I stopped. I worked on my written report for CHGM 103. I took a break with My Hero Academia, my favorite anime, then continued writing. That was basically my whole day. Not too exciting, but productive. Today, it's Saturday. Finally, that's extravaganza day. My friends were so excited to be in the vlog. They are so cute. We had fun sharing and watching performances. After lunch at Thai Bus Pater, we returned to the gym but had to wait in a long line. While waiting, we took a lot of pictures. After sharing for our street dancers, I went back to my cottage early to prepare for Iligan. I changed my upper, traveled, and meet Rose at Jollibee. She helped me find an inn. Thank you so much, Rose. After settling in, I arranged my things and went to sleep. Good night, everyone. Today, it is Insitu Day. I had breakfast at Jollibee while waiting for the others. We went to the venue, but sadly recording wasn't allowed. After a long hot day, we passed. We went to the Robinson with our seniors, explored a bit, and had a dinner at Jollibee again. Then we traveled back to MSU Marawi. It was dark and quiet, but we made it safely. And that is all, my week as an MSU 1 student. Thanks for watching!